Colors relish beauty. Colors play a huge role in people's attitudes, emotions, feelings, and mental health, and even in decision making. Colors are the means of expressing the feelings of love. Since the ancient times, people have been using color as a way of communication and various signals. Reza Hakim, a young entrepreneur, started thinking about that color. The most used everyday necessities of the world, for example, plastic products as well as TVs, refrigerators, shoes, pens, furniture, etc., need to be made colorful and enhanced with standards, and this standard is called master batch. Since there was no production in the domestic market, we had to import this master batch, which was a matter of high time and cost consumption. So the master batch had to be produced in our country. The young entrepreneur walked the path of dreams. He started working to take the role of development of the country one step further. 2015. As a reward of hard work and concentration, China extended a hand of friendship. This was the first joint venture between Bangladesh and China to build an international standard compliance factory, Color Plus Master Batch Manufacturing Company Limited, which is ISO, REACH, and ROC certified. Due to the use of modern technology and quality products, Color Plus Master Batch has already become the central point of demand in the domestic market. It has gained the faith and assurance of almost all the reputed plastic manufacturing companies of the country. Not only limited to the borders of our country, Color Plus Master Batch is also determined to put Bangladesh on the world map. To achieve this goal, inexorable hard work and effort have helped them establish a brand at home and abroad. Product quality control process is constantly being carried out by overseas color experts in their own laboratories with international standards. Customers have the highest convenience with their own transport system across the country. They continue to ensure customer satisfaction by providing rapid delivery and qualified technical support. Due to the adamant hard work of 310 experienced local and overseas workers, Color Plus Master Batch is now fully capable of meeting the demand of the market. They are making all kinds of Master Batch in the world. White Master Batch, Black Master Batch, Color Master Batch, Additive Master Batch, Special Effect Master Batch, PP, PET, GPPS, HIPS, ABS. Color Plus Master Batch is a name dedicated to serving the country cooperatively with the international market. If you get world-class products in your country, why consume foreign products? Save time and money. Let's help the economic development of the country by using quality domestic products and make our country more developed and prosperous. Color Plus Master Batch. Make life colorful.